There's a star sitting in the middle of this cloud that is going to explode. Not eventually, within the next few thousand years. And we can already see it happening. This is NGC 2359, nicknamed Thor's helmet, and it sits about 15,000 light-years away in the constellation Canis Major. That glowing cyan dome you're looking at is roughly 30 light-years across. To put that in perspective, the nearest star to our Sun is about 4 light-years away, so this bubble is enormous. It's made of oxygen gas, which astronomers mapped in blue, and the red-pink stuff surrounding it is hydrogen. The colors aren't what your eye would see. They're emission maps. Each color is a specific element, glowing, because something is energizing it hard enough to make it light up. Now look at the surface of that bubble, right up near the top. See how it's not smooth? It looks almost lumpy, like bubbles inside bubbles. That's because the star at the center is blasting out a stellar wind, not like weather, but a continuous stream of particles moving millions of miles per hour. That wind is physically pushing the gas outward. Where the wind hits denser pockets of gas, the edge buckles and ripples. You're watching a collision in slow motion, frozen in a photograph. And that plume shooting upward to the left, that's gas escaping where the bubble wall is thinnest. The star doing all of this is called a Wolf-Rayet star, one of the most extreme kinds of star we know about. It's burning so hot and so fast that it's essentially tearing itself apart. Stars like this don't last long. Our Sun has been burning steadily for about 4.6 billion years. Wolf-Rayet stars might last only a few million. Look near the center of this view. There's a bright pinpoint buried in those dark, tangled filaments. That's likely the culprit. That star is already in what astronomers think is a pre-supernova stage. It hasn't exploded yet, but it's wound up tight. When it goes, it'll briefly outshine billions of ordinary stars. What gets me about this image is that it's a countdown clock we can't read. Sometime in the next few thousand years, maybe 500, maybe 3,000, that star lets go. By cosmic standards, that's basically right now. And the helmet it's wearing? Gas it pushed out with its own breath. We'll be here tomorrow with whatever the selector pulls next. Subscribe so you don't have to remember to come back.